scale was developed for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. This scale runs from 0 to 14. To quantitatively determine the strength of acid or basis, we must have some scale. If I give a solution of acid A and tell you to determine its acidity, then I have to compare it with the help of pH scale. If the pH value is very less, it shows the acidic character, and if it is very large, then it shows a basic character. Okay, this is a pH scale. If the pH value of the solution is between 0 to 7, then it is acidic. If the pH value is exactly 7, then it is neutral in nature. If the pH value is in between 7.1 to 14, then it is basic in nature. I say a two solution A and B, the pH of the solution A is 5 and the pH of the solution B is 2. Which one is more acidic? This B solution is more acidic. Why? Because the lesser the value of pH, the more acidic it will be. As the numbers decreases here, the acidic character increases. pH value, it has not any unit. It is just a number. Okay. If I say the two solution A and B, the pH of the solution A is 7.5 and pH of the solution B is 13. Then which one is more basic? Your answer will be the solution B is more basic, because as the value of pH increases, the basicity of the also increases. Okay. Some of the pH values of the substances like gastric juice, lemon juice, pure water, milk of magnesia, sodium hydroxide. How can you find out the pH value? You have to take the universal indicator strip. Okay. Then you have to dip it in the solution whose pH value is to be tested. Suppose if I take lemon juice, I don't know its pH value. I will dip the pH indicator, that is strip of the universal indicator. Then I will come to know that the color change is to this orange. Then I will compare it with this pH value scale. So now I will realize that the pH of the given solution is 2. Okay. If I take sodium hydroxide solution in a beaker, then I will dip the universal indicator in it. I will observe the color change. The color change will be dark blue, something like this. Then I will compare it with this values. Then it comes out to be 14. In this way, I will measure the pH values. This is why universal indicator is very important. Okay.